This video is going to be absolutely interesting because I'm going to show you a pocket option strategy. Not only that much, I'm also going to give you a knowledge on how I think, how I act in my trading journey, which can be extremely helpful for you. So watch this video very carefully, and if you are new to my channel, then please do like this video. And if you want to copy my trades automatically into your pocket option account, then do join my free Telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this YouTube video and the first comment below. So what happened, I was just scrolling through the YouTube shorts, and I saw a person explaining about something which I felt. Now previously I used to test whatever knowledge I gain. Firstly, I used to test it in your demo account and then in real account, and then only I would have bring the video. Now this time what I'm going to do is, I saw a video where a person was explaining about a simple strategy which I felt like it can work. And before doing any test, I am directly into the real account to show you how I do the testing. And you can gain this knowledge with this video and do the same thing. Whenever you scroll through the videos and you see some informative knowledge, then in a speed way, act and test it in your demo account. That way, you may find your dream strategy to become profitable while trading binary options. Now, the strategy that I learned from that one person was very simple, which he was explaining about in a long time frame, but I will keep it short and make it in 5 seconds. So the candle should be of S5, and if it is flag at here, make your time 5 seconds, that is S5. Now, let's make all of this currency pair favorite that has over 90%, 92% payout maybe, so that we can get all of this currency pair above at here. Now I am absolutely confident. Now I'm not telling overconfident, okay? I am confident that this strategy can work, okay? Now no matter whatever strategy you use, whatever indicator you use, it may work sometime and it doesn't work sometime, okay? So you don't need to get too much worried about the strategy, but also you need to have the knowledge about the strategies that you are going to use while trading, okay? 4 to 5 strategies, absolutely fine. Also, at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a video where I'll show you how I have turned my $10 into $2,500 by making trades right continuously and compounding the investment. So for this purpose, we are going to use $200 investment, and I have not done any testing right now. So let's come to our first currency pair and click on this indicator and search for the Bollinger Bands. So this is the Bollinger Bands, not this, okay? So once you do this much, then enlarge the chart. So according to him, whenever the Bollinger Bands start to do this kind of pattern, okay, it starts to break out the upper Bollinger Band and it starts to move in the upward direction, then it will continuously move in the upward direction. Now you need to find a place where you can make the trade, okay? So my best entry would be before this, after this red candle. Sorry, the chart is not stable, this red candle, okay? Similarly, in the case of lower, it is same, okay? Whenever the chart is moving down, here you can see moving down and it is breaking the lower of the Bollinger Band, at that time you can make the trade. Now you need to find this kind of pattern at here. So here you can see, we can see that Bollinger Bands is breaking and it is trying to move up, but it again came down. So we'll ignore this kind of chart. Let's find other. So here you can see Bollinger Band was breaking, okay, but again it started to consolidate at here. We are not going to make any trade at here. Here also you could have got lots of perfect entry at here after red candles. Now again it is showing same kind of pattern. This can be a good place to make the trade, but we need to see for the confirmation, okay? This was a big candle. In this kind also place you don't need to make trade. So this could be an example of a good place to make the trade. So if this candle goes red, then I'll definitely take the risk here because this was a short green candle and we made the profit at here. Now let's find any other place. So this kind of pattern you need to find. Okay, so let's see where here also you can see a good pattern is forming. So let's wait. So it is trying to go green, but again it fell down. So what I will do is I'll take the risk and make a trade here. And yes, no, we made the loss at the end. Okay, so anyways, now let's search in another place where we can see this kind of patterns. Here also you can see a good pattern is here, but here, if you see here, two candles was red, so you can't just trust the red candles in this kind of scenario. So you will make the trade whenever you can. So you need to be active in this kind of, this kind of pattern you need to find. Let's search for another place where we can make the trade. Here you can see it was a good place where you could have made trade. Okay, yeah, I have told you after the green candle, whenever this is the downfall after the green candle, but in some cases you don't find that kind of place. Here you can see if you had made trade at here, you could have gone wrong. So you can also analyze the market. If it is sharply falling down at these kind of places also, you can make the trade. In trading, there is always going to be the risk. Here you can see there was a pattern, but it came down, and whenever this kind of big red candles happen, don't make any trade. So whatever that person was explaining seems to be working right now. So here you can see it is going up. Okay, see how sharply it is going up. Now if I get a red candle, I can take the risk at here, but let's see what happens. Let's take the risk at here, but again so this was 1 minute trading, I think. How did this happen? So this was a mistake. Okay, we placed the 1 minute trade, so let's ignore it and find other places where we can make the trades. So here you can see here is a pattern is forming. It is sharply breaking the Bollinger Bands. Okay, let's see if we could make the trade at here, because see, I saw this much big green candle. I thought that this could go an above direction. I took the risk and made the profit. So guys, altogether this much is the thing. Now I'll suggest you to watch my video where I have turned my $10 into $1,500 by investing in the way of compounding. And don't forget to like this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.